Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a delicious bowl of beef gyudon. Savory and sweet simmered beef on top of a big bowl of rice that is so much better than any gyudon Yoshinoya recipe that you can find, and we're starting right now. And if you want to learn how to make all kinds of delicious and simple Asian foods at home, then make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell.
We're going to start by boiling an egg for about 6 to 7 minutes. When the timer is up, remove the egg and shock it in cold water and let it hang out there. We're going to use this later. Next, take half an onion and slice it into thin strips. Now we're going to heat up a pan, add some oil, and throw our onions in there. Cook them for about a minute until you get that heavenly onion scent, and then add in 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, a teaspoon of sake, 1 teaspoon of mirin, a seasoned cooking wine, 1.5 teaspoons of sugar, and we're going to add our secret ingredient, mentsuyu, which is a dipping sauce concentrate usually used for soba. We'll need 2 tablespoons of this. Last, we're going to add in 3 tablespoons of dashi stock. Now, add in your sliced beef and simmer it on medium-low. The juices from the beef are going to add meatiness to that sweet and savory sauce, and as it cooks uncovered, it'll concentrate, becoming even more flavorful. Once it's done, spoon it on top of a bowl of fresh white rice, being extra generous with the amount of beef and onions. Finally, don't forget to spoon that delicious sauce all over your rice. Now, carefully crack your soft-boiled egg on top of your beef bowl. Our yolks popped on us as we cracked it, but it's okay because we were going to pop that yolk anyways. Finish it off with a little bit of pickled ginger on the side, a sprinkling of sliced green onions, and a pinch of shichimi, Japanese 7-spice powder. And there we go! A gyudon beef bowl that beats Yoshinoya's beef bowl any day of the week.